ANZA and I'm with my beautiful model Kat, and today I'm going to be utilizing our Ultra Blonding Decolorizer. So Kat came to me today with a balayage that she got done about 2 months ago. All she's really looking to do is brighten this up a little bit, nothing too dramatic. So my plan is to go in and do a little bit of face framing foils with our Ultra Blonding Decolorizer, then just pump up a couple of her ends again around the face with our clay decolorizer. Then I'll give her a beautiful glaze all over and she'll leave here with shiny, beautiful hair. Alright, so I've begun my application with Kat here, and I'm using our Ultra Blonding Decolorizer with 10 volume because I don't want a lot of lift, I just want to match what she already has. So I'm going to do a hairline foil that starts off a center part because Kat likes to flip her hair back and forth. She doesn't have a defined part. That way when all the hair is coming back off her face, it's going to be a really natural blend and she'll be able to move her part wherever she wants. So you can see here, I've already done this side section just about an inch going back off her hairline, and then I've done these top sections here, and now I'm going to work to the other side. So today on Kat, I only needed to use 10 volume in the foils with our Ultra Blonding Decolorizer. But when you are working with foils, you can use 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume. If you're going to work on scalp, remember to only use 10 or 20 volume. Another great reason I love using Ultra Blonding Decolorizer is because Kat is naturally a level 4. So sometimes those dark natural levels can take a long time to process, and we really want this to go quick. This is in between a booking, so I don't have a lot of time for processing, so Ultra Blonding Decolorizer is really going to speed up that process for me. Alright, so I finished up Kat's application. Overall, it only took me about 15 minutes to apply, and what I love about Ultra Blonding Decolorizer is that if you're looking to double book or do a quick service, that it works really, really fast, but safe and gentle. Remember to keep in mind, when using Ultra Blonding Decolorizer, check your foils at least every 10 minutes. When the hair is fine or has been previously lightened, the hair can lift faster. Alright, here we are with Kat's finished look. Just to recap, we did a hairline foil with our Ultra Blonding Decolorizer with 10 volume. Then we popped in a couple of pieces around her ends with our clay decolorizer and 40 volume. Then I took her to the shampoo bowl, rinsed all of that out, gave her a beautiful glaze, and here she is. I think it looks really stunning.